Well, lately people have been noticing that my content is becoming a little dark. This is not what I actually wanted to do with my channel. This was supposed to be an informative channel, and it still is, I assure you. This video is totally kid safe, pure information. So you can watch it with your little brothers or your kids if you have any. So moving on for today's topic, it is amazing human body facts that you may have never heard of. Now, bear with me on this. For numero uno, we have your taste changes every 7 to 10 years. It is not your delusion, it is actually true when you think that your taste for some things has changed. It actually happens to everyone within every 7 to 10 year of span. For example, in your teenage years, you may start liking dishes that you hated as a kid. Well, the reason behind this is because every cell in your body regenerates every 7 to 10 years. However, your taste buds regenerate every 2 weeks, but your receptors and brain cells they regenerate every 7 to 10 years, causing changes in your taste. However, they do stop at a point after the age of 50. That's when your taste will start getting more bland, meaning tasteless. Your brain can still be trained to keep your taste the same way, but eventually your taste is going to change. Now, for number two, we have what are the tiny dots in your eyes? Have you ever noticed that when you look at the sky, you see tiny dots and squiggly lines moving around in your eyes? Have you ever thought what are these things? If you have, your questions are going to be answered. The tiny dots you see are actually your white blood cells. Yes, guys, WBCs. This only happens when you look at the sky because the light sensitive cells in the retina read the signal as increased brightness, causing us to see white blood cells. For the people who don't know what white blood cells are, well, WBCs, also known as leukocytes, are important part of your immune system. They fight bacteria and virus and germs that may be a threat to your body. WBCs are produced in the bone marrow and then they circulate throughout the bloodstream. Each nostril smells differently. Yes, this fact is also true, even though many people may debate about it. It doesn't concern us because we mainly use both nostrils to smell and breathe, but if you were to smell the same thing with different nostrils, you will feel the difference. This research experiment was done by Larry Cahill and his colleagues at the University of California at Troon. So what they found out was that odors are more pleasant if you smell them from your right nostril. And your brain can name odors more accurately when you smell them through your left nostril. Now for number 4, we have importance of saliva. Saliva is a very important liquid produced in your mouth by 3 glands: parotid gland, submandibular gland, and sublingual gland. Now what makes saliva so important is its watery nature. Saliva keeps your mouth moist and comfortable. It also helps you to chew, taste, and swallow food. It also keeps your mouth protected from germs, and it also keeps your teeth strong. When saliva turns out to be so important for you, have you ever wondered how much saliva you produced? Well, nah man, never needed to. Well, yes, but you should care because if you have a dry mouth often, it would mean that you have diabetes 1 or 2. Now, I'm not trying to scare anybody, but you should probably go check a doctor. So yes, saliva may be 98% water, but the other 2% contains some very essential enzymes, electrolytes, and also some very important antibacterial compounds. So the next time you spit somewhere on the road, just remember how important this saliva is for you. Number 5, we have increasing your lifespan. Well, why not? In actuality, it is very easy to increase your lifespan. It all just depends on your diet and exercise. If we look upon the people who have lived an age above 100, you will notice that most of them, 90% of them, were vegetarians. So people who eat non-veg, it's bad news for all of you guys. Sorry. Fitness is the basic key for increasing your age, and moreover, a healthy brain, tension free, can also help you increase your age. So, this is all for today, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please, and please, guys, please subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you can. And thank you for watching. Oh, and before you close this video, I just want to tell you all about my friend's channel. His name is Told Series, and he posts regular videos, weekly videos, not regular videos. And I personally love his videos, so link is in the description. Be sure to check it out. And thank you for watching, everyone. We'll be seeing you later.